Hello, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today, I'm sharing my sheet load of cards for July 2022. Now, it's been a while since I've been able to do a sheet load, but I hope to get back into the swing of things, doing it on a monthly basis because it is something that I really enjoy and look forward to each month. If you're not familiar with sheet load, it's basically a card sketch, cutting guide, and supply list that Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel generously puts together for us each and every month. It's something that we can follow or just use as inspiration to make a bunch of cards. I'll link the video in the description box below that will show you how you can get your July 2022 download for free. This month's sketch yields 12 cards, and they are A2 in size. Now, if you've watched my sheet loads before, you'll know that whenever I do a sheet load or just a bunch of cards, I try to make some coordinating packaging to house them so that they're all ready for gift giving or to put in my Etsy shop. The box style I'm using today, I do have a video tutorial for, and I'll link it in the description box below in case you'd like to try it for yourself. The paper collection that I used for the cards and boxes comes from Park Lane Vintage Pastel. I purchased this at Joann, and I just happened to see that this is currently on clearance at Joann. So if you're interested in this collection, picking up this collection for yourself, you might want to head over and see what they have left. It is a gorgeous collection, and it's one that I have a few of in my stash because I just love it so much. To embellish my cards and boxes, I use this die set from Crafter's Companion. It's the Vintage Diary, and it's part of the Sarah Signature collection. I also used the 3D beautiful bow dies from Anna Griffin. And I used this die from my stash. It cuts out the word friends. I used these silver jewel dazzles from Hot Off the Press, and I purchased them at Paper Wishes. These peel-off border stickers are from Love from Lizzie. I used this bling from Bead Design Company, and this came from Hobby Lobby. I also used this Distress Oxide Vintage Photo ink to ink all of my edges. For my sentiment, I used this stamp set from Crafter's Companion called Friends Forever, and the one that I chose reads, "Your friendship is a special gift that I treasure every day, and I hope you know I value it more than words can say." Let's check out the cards. I really love this month's sketch, and I know that you will too. So be sure to click on that link in the description box below and try it out for yourself. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Also, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Until then, bye!